Hey goddess, it's Abiola, and I'm at the College of Psychic Studies in London just a few minutes before people are let in for my workshop. So I just was sitting here in such a state of gratitude and happiness for this moment. I'm about to do an abundance workshop. Oops, I don't know if you can read this. Calling in your sacred abundance with Abiola Abrams. And I just wanted to share what it feels like when you are answering your calling and you've tapped into your joy, because I know a lot of times we are multi-passionate people and we have so many things and we say, how do I know that it's the thing? You know that it's the thing when it feels like home. Right now I'm in a room that I've never been in before in my life. And I just feel at home. Look at this. This is how they announce where the rooms are. Like, talk about goddess energy. I don't know if you can see this. Trying to film backwards. Talk about goddess energy. And then, we're doing, look at this. Look at this. Like, am I not at home? And then I'm able to set up my beautiful goddess affirmation cards in a crystal grid here. I see that we've got, I was able to purify and bless the room before I came in with this sacred space and psychic protection flower essences. And I guess my main point is my new mission of us being WAFP, which means weird as fucking possible. You being you, look at the goddesses, and just the sacred divine energy, just the sacred divine, be as weird as possible. A long time ago I was a part of a group and the main rule jokingly was don't be weird, but no, be your weird self unapologetically. Be authentically you, and you find your tribe. And I'm just feeling a state of gratitude as I'm waiting for my folks to come in. And I just wanted to share with you that you know that you are in the right place at the right time when your soul feels at home. And that's how I feel right this minute in London on Queensberry Street in a room I've never been in. My soul is at home.